Hello everyone. Lanterns means reunion in the Chinese New Year. So today let's make a Chinese lantern together. Materials to be prepared are as follows: 10 pieces of red papers, a piece of yellow paper, a red rope, a pair of scissors, and a glue stick. Step 1. Draw a circle on the red paper and cut it out. We need 10 circle papers like this. Step 2. Fold the round paper in fold. Step 3. Glue these folded papers together with a glue stick. Step 4. Cut a rectangle with the remaining red paper, and then cut out many lines from the bottom to the top on the paper. Be careful not to cut it off. Step 5. Cut a rectangle with yellow paper and glue the yellow paper and red paper together. Step 6. Fold the red rope in ball. Glue the head of the red rope and the paper together, and roll up the paper. Last step, glue the red rope and the circle papers together. And now we got a beautiful Chinese lantern. Come on and have a try. Show us your lanterns in the comments.